Hey everybody, my name's Justin Brown with MarineMax Sailandski in Lakeway, Texas, and I'm standing next to the Bayliner Element E16. Let's check this boat out. As we take a walk around this boat, you can see the trailer that it comes with. Single axle, swing tongue. I'm showing you the whole shape of the boat. It's kind of hard to tell with this video, but it has a nice M-shaped hull. So the performance on the lake is really nice, especially on a busy day. Runs through the chop really well. Get a good shot of the side profile. Nice navy blue color. As we step into the boat, you can see that it's powered by a Mercury 4-stroke, 60 horsepower outboard motor. Lots of space for this boat. Very easy to maintain and keep clean. Lots of storage. Very comfortable helm. Wide bow. And then you do have this cushion right here that is removable. Get some more leg space in there. This is the Bayliner Element 16. Again, very easy to tow to the lake. Fits in your garage. Very fun and easy. All right, thanks for checking that boat out. If you'd like more information on this boat or any of the other boats that we have in stock, please feel free to give myself a call. My personal number is 512-354-6266, or stop by our Lakeway store or the store in Austin or in San Antonio. Thank you.